Hello and welcome back. Those are the raindrops. We start with the raindrops. Um, in African tradition, it is believed that the rain is the sign of blessings. So today we start with the blessings. The rain has blessed us. And in my language, the Luya language, the raindrops are called mabale. One is rivale. Rivale ifula raindrop. Mabale ke ifula raindrops. Rivale one, more than one. Mabale. Tell me down in the comments below, how do you call raindrops in your language? What is your language and how do you call raindrops? So let me introduce the topic of today's video, and in this particular video I'm gonna walk you through various types and nature of a Luya woman. In particular, we're gonna look at her inherent qualities, traits and characteristics that are present from birth or have developed over time. So kindly sit, relax kama kawaida, grab whatever you want to grab as long as it does not interfere with your attention in class. This is the class. But before that, I know the video may brush some people in the wrong way, but remember, when it all started, the namings, you and I were not present. So this is a community's creation. This is not a personal creation, and it all happened way back in 12th century. That is when the Luya people were settling in what is known today as the Luyaland. So let's get started, and we start by defining the word muhana. Muhana is a girl or a daughter in Luya language. Muhana is a girl or a daughter. And at the age of 18, the girl gets another title, mukoko. And mukoko means that the girl is now mature and ready to get married. And the moment the girl gets married, she gets another title, muhai or muhasi, which means wife or woman. So muhana, mukoko, muhai, muhasi are all common nouns for a female person in Luya language. Now let's start with the first type of a Luya woman. And the first type is called Muhana Siombo. This is a beautiful girl. Muhana Siombo or Sichongo, sometimes Sichongo, sometimes Siombo. This means a beautiful woman. So among the Luya people, we have beautiful women. And the concept of beauty normally differs or varies between individuals. So it is actually influenced by personal preferences. However, generally among the Luya people, the main determining factor for beauty in a woman is her physical appearance. Okay. In this kind of a girl, this girl Siombo is a girl who has an unpretentious attitude or approach to life. Therefore, she normally lives a stress-free kind of life. Nothing worries her. Let's move to the next type of a woman, and this is Muhana Ibieki. Muhana Ibieki is a well-built woman. Long ago, to be fat or to be somehow to have that huge body, was an indication that you are healthy and strong. So this Mohana Ibieke is the girl who possessed that body that was a determining factor that a woman is strong, a woman is healthy. And it was believed that this is the kind of a woman who could do farm work. You know, a woman's hard work is normally determined by, or is measured by, her performance in the farm. And this is the kind of a woman who was also believed to be able to give birth to many children. So this was the most preferred woman for a wife. This was what is known today among the youths as wife material. This was the most preferred among the elders. The moment you go to seek advice from elders about the wife to marry, they will propose for you to look for Ibieki. And to be Ibieki, you must have this how do you call it, hamstring flesh. Locally or in Luyia is called indumbu. So Mohana Ibieki must have indumbu. And there is a song that was sung to psych up these ladies, the Ibieki type of ladies. And the song went like this: Ndumbu ndumbu yo mwana wefwe ya homera, ndumbu ya homera, ndumbu ya homera. The song means that the hamstring of I don't know if it's a hamstring or what, this flesh behind the leg. Indumbu. To be Ibieki, you have to build, or you must possess indumbu. And looking at the traits, she has almost the traits as Mohana Siombo. Okay, more or less the same. Next type of a woman is Mohana Livitikiri. Mohana Livitikiri. This is a fat and oversized woman. Fat and oversized. And I'm not emphasizing much on her. Let's move to the next one, the fourth one. This is Mohana Oniambe. Oniambe is a very slim woman. Very slim woman. And the name Oniambe was derived from the word Mwambo, and Mwambo is an earthworm. So sometimes when you hear the word earthworm, just know that the person is referring to a very slim woman or girl. Next, woman, and this is woman number 4. And this one is Mohana Naskoko. This is an unmarried woman, spinster, single, or sometimes they refer to themselves as self-partnered. And Naskoko is a woman who was believed to have gone beyond what was considered to be suitable marriage age. And Naskoko in a way is a derogatory word. Derogatory in a way that it implies that a woman was undesirable or had failed to fulfill what was expected of her, or failed to fulfill her expected role to become a wife and a mother. Okay, so that is Naskoko. And let's move to the fifth type of a woman among the Luyia people. And this one is called Hasolo Hasata. Hasolo Hasata. Hasolo Hasata, if I I do direct translation, it would mean a male animal. A male animal. Okay? Hasolo hasata. Hasolo hasata is a tomboy. This is a type of a girl or a woman who engages in activities that are traditionally associated with the boys. Let's say like playing sports, climbing trees, whistling, dressing like a man, walking and acting like a man or like a boy, and she has that masculine appearance or demeanor. And hasolo hasata is a gender expression. Hasolo hasata is not insult or meant to shame someone because of their behavior. That is hasolo hasata. And hasolo hasata, I think, is the most sportive woman, and she does things with ease. She does things just like a man. We move to the next type of woman, and this one is Muhana Luanda. Muhana Luanda. And Luanda here means the rock. The rock. She is called Muhana Luanda because she has no opening or naturally opening way for pata pata. She is in a way a mysterious woman. The mystery is that her way, her pata pata way closes and opens, and to open her way, a man has to undergo or to do some artistic gymnastics so that he can access pata pata. And what normally happens here, a man normally grabs the neck and squeezes. So as she becomes unable to breathe normally, she starts to throw herself around like the proverbial kicks of a dying horse. And the moment she throws herself around, the way opens, and a man has to be timely, because any delay it would mean that the man has to undergo the same exercise again and again. So a man has to be timely. The moment it opens, he must end as quick as possible. That is Muhana Luanda. Next woman is Muhasi Mukumba or Muhana Mukumba. Muhasi, we use now the title Muhasi because this is now the childbearing age, the childbearing stage of a woman. Now she is Muhasi. So Muhasi Mukumba. This is the woman we are discussing now, Muhasi Mukumba. Muhasi Mukumba is a barren woman. She has all the qualities that a woman should have, but she can't conceive. Okay? And we have a proverb about her which says, Wale vula arumangari rangolye. The proverb says that whoever didn't give birth sends her own thigh. Okay? If you have a child, you will just call them and send wherever you want them to go. But if you don't have a child, if you don't have anybody around you, you will have to wake up yourself and move. Now, the moment you move, you are moving with your thighs. That is how the proverb came about. Next is Muhana Skunguboya. Muhana Skunguboya. And this is type of a woman or a girl who does not grow pubic hair. She's just normal woman, save for that she does not grow pubic hair. Next woman is Muhana Maswa or Luswa. Maswa or Luswa. And this is a woman who grows beards. Yes, a woman who grows beards. Okay, and this is a very dangerous woman, because among the Luya people it is believed that whenever you talk about the beards of a woman, actually it is a taboo to talk about the beards of a woman. Those beards are just there to be seen but not to be talked about. And so the moment you make jokes about the beards of a woman, when she gets, or the moment she notices that you are talking about her beards, or you are joking about her beards, when she plucks one, you die. You don't laugh about a woman beards. It is very dangerous. She will just pluck one, whoop, and you die. Just as simple as that. Next woman is Muhana Musisira or Muhana Walulua. She is Muhana Musisira up to the day of getting married. From that day, she converts to Muhana Walulua. Muhana Musisira is a virgin girl. A girl who has never involved into intercourse with a man before marriage. And on the day of marriage, there is is it a ritual or a ceremony which is called Hualula. Now that Hualula is a process of removing the beddings where people slept and taking them elsewhere. Hualula buliri. Okay, to remove the beddings. That is Hualula. And Hualula is actually a ceremony just to confirm that indeed the girl was a virgin. So I will also make a substantive video on this kind of a girl so that you can get to understand her better. So the girl changes from Musisra to Hualula. So she has those two titles. Muhana Musisra, Muhana Hualulua. Muhana Musisra, a virgin. Muhana Hualulua, she was confirmed that indeed she was a virgin. So we also have those kind of women among the Luya people. Lastly, this one is the most dangerous now. Leave alone Muhana Maswa. This is the most dangerous one. And this one is called Muhana Wamarango Malulu. This means a lady with bitter thighs. Marango are thighs. Okay? And we have a version of her among the Kikuyu people, which they call her who? What is this name for her among the Kikuyu? Atumia Shirondune. Atumia Shirondune or Gitune. And among the Kikuyu, it says that a woman with red thighs. Okay? A woman with red thighs. Atumia Shirondune. So these are type or breed of women with a curse or evil spirits that whenever a man gets into the intercourse with them, the man is bound to die. The moment you get into the intercourse with with this breed of women, you have just buy yourself a one-way ticket to your creator. Okay? Yes. The moment you enter into intercourse with her, you have acquired a one to your creator. Okay? So those are actually 12 types of women that we have among the Luyia people. Now the main takeaway from this video, from the 12 types of women we have seen, actually none of them is associated with LGBTQ. And this is the main reason as to why whenever the word LGBTQ is mentioned among the Luyia people, it sends the shockwaves into people's spine, because this is something unheard of among the Luyia people. Okay? This is something new and strange. Okay? So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. And up to here, please promote my video by simply gently touching the like button to promote my video. And in case you are coming across this channel for the very first time, please join the team by simply touching again that subscription button, so that in future, whenever I post, you will get to know. And by doing so, you will also be contributing immensely to the cause, na utabarikiwa sana katika jina la Yesu. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today. For Indamlem Production, my name is Ruben. I hope to meet you again in the next video. Take care.